Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check your phone model and OS, then open settings to confirm location permission and any app-level GPS access. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds and restart the device to reset radios. This often clears transient lock issues. Make sure battery saver, VPN, and developer mock locations are off because they can throttle or spoof GPS. Finally, head to an open area with a clear sky for the first live test, so the handset can acquire satellites quickly. Now you perform deeper software maintenance. Clear cache and app data for your navigation apps, and if the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the latest app release to remove corrupted files. Next, update the OS and any vendor location service packages because fixes and satellite almanac updates are often bundled. Use an AGPS refresh utility or location accuracy app to download current satellite ephemeris. Then reset network settings to rebuild cell and Wi-Fi assist. Also run Compass. To finish, you validate results by testing with at least 2 mapping apps, watching time to first fix and reported accuracy in meters, and walk a short route to confirm stable tracking. If issues remain, back up your data and consider a factory reset as a last resort, or pair an external Bluetooth GPS to confirm whether the internal radio is faulty. If all else fails, swap the SIM or visit a service center to isolate carrier versus hardware causes. Make sure to document symptoms and test conditions for faster repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.